Another top story tonight, court documents reveal new details about a Greene County double murder.
A grandmother and her grandson were found dead at a home in the Chuckey community. Ashley Sharp obtained the documents saying the juvenile suspect admitted to the killings. Ashley?
Well, Josh and Sarah, court documents provided to News Channel 11 by the Office of Judge Kenneth Bailey today revealed that the 16-year-old suspect allegedly planned these murders the day that they happened. A warning tonight, the details revealed in this story are graphic and could be sensitive to certain audiences.
On Old Snaps Ferry Road in Limestone, victims Sherry Cole, 59, and her grandson Jesse Allen, just 7 years old, were found outside of their home by Greene County deputies. Greene County court documents revealed the teen confessed to police that he struck both victims multiple times with a hammer, killing them. He also allegedly confessed to planning the act that afternoon, Sunday, April 24th. The documents calling the act, quote, premeditated and intentional. District Attorney Dan Armstrong spoke with News Channel 11 on the case Wednesday.
I can't imagine what the family is going through to know that one of the victims was 7 years old. It's hard enough just to deal with the manner in which they were killed.
The bodies would be found by investigators around midnight on Monday, April 25th, outside the home. The teen suspect was arrested there on the scene. Also in documents obtained by News Channel 11, Armstrong's petition to have the 16-year-old suspect tried as an adult.
I think it's necessary to file to transfer them to an adult court so they can, because that's the only punishment that really meets the crime.
If tried as an adult, a sentence upon conviction is much lengthier.
I would have the option to ask for life without parole.
As Johnson City Defense Attorney Grace Studer explains, in juvenile cases, results of a mental evaluation could prevent a transfer to adult court.
The relevant inquiry here is whether he is somebody who would need to be committed into a mental institution. And if the answer to that question is yes, then he cannot be transferred.
Studer is not the suspect's defense attorney, but works juvenile cases often. She says if kept in juvenile court, the sentence for the suspect would be more focused on rehabilitation.
And I never want to diminish a crime because it's obviously there are victims here and it's a very, very serious crime. But let's also look at the child and see what's going on here. This is not normal behavior for a 16-year-old. Is there a mental component? What was home life like?
Ahead, the 16-year-old will come before a judge next week on May 12th. The judge also expected to set a date for a hearing to determine if the teen will be tried as an adult.
Now, we also learned today that Judge Kenneth Bailey granted a gag order in the case, meaning it's unlikely that more details in this case will be released anytime soon. And all of those upcoming court hearings are closed, which means members of the media cannot attend. Josh, Sarah?